Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we have given 40 divided 1 by 4 times 4. So let's start with today's video solution. So many solve it like this, 40 divided 4 times 4 and they get their answer 40. But no, they said 40 divided 1 by 4, not 40 divided 4. So 40 divided 1 by 4 means first, you have to apply the KCF rule here. So what is KCF rule? That means keep the left hand, change the symbol, and F is flip the right hand. So how can we use? Keep the left hand, change the symbol, and flip it. So it becomes 40 times 4 is 160 times 4, that is 640. So what is the correct answer? 640, not 40. I hope it's clear and you learned something new. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.